Warm welcome. Very good morning. This is your Baba HSP. Hey kids, just to let me know how is everyone and if I'm perfectly audible and visible. Just show green signal and the fire signal, and if no emojis are available, just write down yes, perfectly audible and visible. Kids, I'm waiting for your response because today we are going to start with best lecture. But kids, just give me a sec. Let me check it out whether I'm audible and visible. If yes, kids, show me the green signal. I want to see green signal in the chat section, then only I can get the message. Yeah, Mishrati, I can see. So yes, this lecture is equally important for J as well as NEET because this is the basic lecture, the base of chemical bonding, which is very important for your yes GOC. So Nithala Shri, Vaniram, Mishrati, Prashanna Kumaran, everyone, just let me refresh so that I can get the clarity that everyone, yes. So those who are new to this channel, I will let you know that who am I, who is your Baba HSP. But before that, everyone, you have to mark your attendance in the form of yes, like button, hit it, then your attendance will be marked. Anand Kumar, I can see that's Wani, Fahim, Hema, Siraj Thin, good morning, X-Star, Gamer, very good morning. Warm welcome, Jo Bole, Sonihal, Sasyakal, Walaikum Salam, Assalamu Alaikum. So my dear students, let's have some warm up round. Akshay, warm welcome. Nandini, warm welcome. Now, my dear students, I can see a lot of green hearts. This class based on your chemical bonding for GOC. What is the need of chemical bonding for your GOC? I'm going to tell you each and every single word, kids. But I want to see Amina is there, Mufid is there, Sandeep is there, Hafiz is there, all my Tamil Kamistippidikyaradu customer, but I would like to say, Allah, let's Roma Sulbham. My dear students, the things which are looking very confusing, I will make them really awesome, simple. What to say in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, that the things which looking idiyappam, murukku, it will, you will say after studying all these things, you will say nalla iruku. So Prasanna Kumar, Hema, that's really awesome, really. But I will take this lecture for 1 hour, just for 1 hour. Today it's the warm-up round, or you can say the demo class. But my dear students, achievers, dreamers, the droppers, you have to make one promise to your Baba, that your Baba will start each and everything from the scratch and tell you each and every basic, but you have to make one promise. Are you ready? That for 1 hour, just for 1 hour, this lecture is for 1 hour, you have to mark your answers. You have to write down there your answers, and you have not to leave even for a single second. This 1 hour, I will make you crazy for this chemical bonding, organic chemistry. Everyone, show me some fire in the chat section. Continuously, Vikramji, I will take class continuously, but you have to make promise that you will be there for constant time. You are not going to leave this lecture even for a single second, fraction of second. Everyone, I want to see green hearts and the fire in the this chat section. If you promise that you will follow each and every lecture, my dear students, these lectures are available just for free. So students are thinking, oh, whether to watch, whether to leave, whether to skip. Then just think about teachers' energy. What will happen to the energy? If I'm not coming regularly, you are saying, sir, come regularly and take these lectures continuously. When you are going to skip these lectures, then what I feel? Just think about your teacher. Okay, so let me tell you about myself. This is your Baba HSP. 26 plus years of teaching experience. I have done my MSc in 1999. Gold medalist, then GRF, then GATE, and then MTech in 2004. I have been teaching for the last 26 plus years, produced number of ranks in NEET, including first rank Tanishka, fifth rank AIR, third rank Mehak Arora in AIMS, the fourth rank Chaitanya Mittal, fifth rank Mehak's younger brother Suez Arora, and IIT JEE's first top 10 ranks and number of mass selections. Now kids, I can see, yeah, the green hearts, the red hearts, they are, wow, wow, I can see everyone's love and support in the chat section. That's really fantastic. I have become your fan. So now let me start the chemical bonding for GOC. But before starting, I would like to tell you one thing, kids. This is Team Avengers. You can see Ambika ma'am, the most talented teacher, bio, Ambika ma'am. Fantastic teacher. Wasim sir, you know very well, fantastic chemistry teacher. Yabas sir, physics fantastic teacher, and Baba HSP. The best team in India, not only in India, people are studying from Nepal and from other parts of the country. Now, my dear students, Phoenix Pro Unacademy batch, NEET 2025 batch by Team Avengers, number of lectures. Now, this is available just for rupees 4,999. My dear students, this is really awesome. 26 July onwards. Now, for this batch, to get this batch, last fully live batch, my dear students, remember this is the last batch. You can share it to everyone, your classmates, your relatives, my dear students. Just it is available for 4,999 rupees only, my dear students. Now see, what is Unacademy Pro? Experience the best of both offline and online learning, my dear students. Now these are the things available in Plus, Iconic, and Pro, right, my dear students? Now see, new batches launching from 23rd of July. Take the Mega UST and get up to 99% scholarship at Unacademy centers, and you can contact over here. And now see, my dear students, these are the offline centers. You can see across India, everywhere offline centers are present. You can tell them to enroll at any place. See kids, everywhere it is available, right? Now, let me start your chemical bonding. Are you ready? So, Baba is going to start from here. Ready? Say yes. Everyone, say yes if you're ready. I want to see your yes. Now, see kids. First of all, what you are supposed to do, remember the second period elements. Remember the second period elements. Second period elements. First of all, you should have great knowledge of these elements. Just see kids, everyone. It starts from lithium, beryllium. But we don't need these elements. We are in need of boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Neon is zero group element. We don't require. We require right now these four elements. These four elements. These four elements belongs to which group? That should be very clear in your brain, kids. See, this belongs to third or 13th, 14th or 4th, 15th or 5th, 16th or 6th, 17th or 7th. Now, why these groups knowledge is very, very necessary? See kids, they are having 3 electrons in the outermost orbit. It is having 3 electrons in the outermost orbit. Boron is having 3 electrons in the outermost orbit. But before I tell you boron is having how many electrons in the outermost orbit, just remember lithium, beryllium. Everyone say lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Everyone say lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, funny. You have to remember these elements, otherwise you won't be able to see it. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Now see it. It is having 3 electrons in the outermost orbit. 1, 2, 3. It is having how many electrons in the outermost orbit? 1, 2, 3, 4. Nitrogen is having how many electrons in the outermost orbit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And oxygen is having how many electrons in the outermost orbit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now fluorine is having how many electrons in the outermost orbit, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, this is one way you can remember the electrons in the outermost orbit with the help of group. If you remember the group, you can remember each and everything. This is one way, kids. Third group, fourth group, sixth group, fifth group, halogens. Otherwise, what you can do, you can find out atomic number. Boron's atomic number is 5. So we can write 2 and 1. So 2 and 1. So what you will say, sir, what is this 2 and 1? It is 5. Then how 2 and 1? Let me tell you what is the meaning of 2 and 1. 2. Then in the first orbit, there are 2 electrons. The electronic configuration you can write like this: 1s2, 2s2, and 2p1. So in the outermost orbit, there are 3 electrons. Now, if you want to go with the help of electronic configuration, then you need atomic number. Then only you can visualize. Why I'm telling you all these things, kids? You will be able to understand. But first of all, do let me know, will you be able to remember these elements? Now, not only these elements, let me tell you, kids, one more thing. Let me tell you one more thing. Not only these elements are important, but their family members are also important. Suppose if I say boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, leave neon. So just below boron in third A, there is what else? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Right now they are not required, but you should know. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Now, my dear friends, out of these elements, right now, how many elements are very, very important? Let me tell you. First of all, let me write down their group number: 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A. Halogens. Now, which elements are very, very important? First of all, let me tell you: boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Now, just below carbon, silicon is okay. Okay means not very much required, but it is required. You should know. Phosphorus, very, very important. Sulfur, very, very important. Iodine, chlorine, bromine. At least these elements knowledge you should have. Say everyone, yes, this is in your mind. Then I will move ahead. Right now there is no electricity, so you can see the sweat. On Baba's face, how much sweat is there? Baba is for you. If you promise, make a promise, then Baba is always available. Baba is very, very consistent, but I need your promises. Always keep on writing. You are Sahana, welcome. Monisha ji, welcome. Kids, this simple teacher is always for you. I'm always there to tell you each and everything. I will give my all days and night. But only one thing is there. I need your promise. Attendance should be marked by Vani. Vani is writing voice is low. Kids, check the voice. Everyone just check the voice before I move ahead. Am I clearly audible and visible to all of you? Just to write down over there. Baba is clearly audible and visible to all of you kids. Yes, kids. Thank you, Sahana, Critical Hunter. Thank you, kids. Now see, if you remember this, now let me tell you. Carbon, just to let me know, carbon is having how many electrons in the outermost orbit? Do let me know, carbon is having how many electrons in the outermost orbit? 1, 2, 3, 4. Either you can write like this, or if anyone is not able to understand that carbon is having how many electrons in the outermost orbit, so carbon's atomic number is 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So in the outermost, 4 electrons are there. Now, my dear students, what's your dream? Your dream. Tell me, what's your dream? Your dream is to get medical college or IIT. That is your dream. So what is the dream of carbon? Dream of carbon is carbon's dream. Every dream of element is stability. Your dream is stability. Element's dream is also stability. Now, for your stability, you need seat. For their stability, they need what? They need what for their stability? They want complete octet. For their stability, they are in need of complete octet. Now, how they will complete their octet? Complete octet means 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Complete octet means, kids, everyone write down 8 electrons in the valence shell. Now, kids, how they will get 8 electrons in the valence shell? What carbon is supposed to do? What carbon will do to have 8 electrons in the valence shell? Carbon will say, hey hydrogen, inge va. They will say to hydrogen, please come over here. Inge va, ivde va. So how many hydrogens will come? 4 hydrogens will come. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 hydrogens will come and they will form covalent bond. Now, my dear friends, these single bonds are known as sigma bonds. Single bonds are known as what? These single bonds are known as sigma bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sigma bonds are there? How many sigma bonds have been formed? 4. So the steric number will come out 4. Steric number will come out 4. What is steric number? Going to give idea about steric number. Remember that what Baba has written? Steric number. Kids, I have written steric number. Now, steric number will tell you the electronic geometry. I'm not saying steric number is going to tell you the shape. No. Steric number will give you knowledge about electronic geometry. Just see, remember that if the steric number is coming out 2, then the electronic geometry will be, I will tell you what is the difference between electronic geometry and shape. Baba will let you know. Electronic geometry. Electronic geometry will be 2 means S1 and P1. Remember that there is only one S orbital. S subshell is having 1 orbital and P is having 3 orbitals. Remember that. This knowledge you should have from the quantum numbers. S subshell means only 1 orbital, and 1 orbital can contain maximum 2 electrons. P subshell means 3 orbitals. How many orbitals? 3 orbitals, right? So 1s, 1p. Now if somebody's steric number is coming out 3, now 3, how will you make 3? S is 1, p will be 2. Now steric number is coming out 4, then what you will say? sp3. Write down in the chat section. Now right now I will focus only up to sp3. If later on, if anyone is having steric number 5, I will say sp3 and D. See, 1, 3, 4, 1, 5. If somebody is having steric number 6, I will say sp3 D2. Till now, this is clear to all of you? Till now, is this much clear to each and everyone? Do let me know, kids. Raw is live. Unacademy के HSP sir is best for chemistry. He is live at NEET English channel. Thank you, Raw Live. Kids, always whenever you are able to understand whatever I'm teaching, show me green hearts and fire in the chat section. Then only Baba will let you know that what I am going to tell you in the next. Wow, Sahana, thank you, Mehak. It's whatever I'm teaching you. If this is clear, then show me green hearts. Then only Baba will understand that you are able to understand or not. Did you understand? Have you understood? Put green hearts. Put green hearts. Put their green hearts if you are able to understand. Very good. Now see, kids. So, see, as I have written, carbon is having 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. But boron was having only how many electrons? Boron was having 3 electrons only. 1, 2, 3. So see the difference. If boron is going to form bonds with hydrogen, just see how boron will form. Kids, see to it. Everyone just see to it. 1, 2, 3, and 3 hydrogens. 3 hydrogens. Just see 3 hydrogens. 1, 2, and 3 hydrogens. Can you see? 3 hydrogens. So boron is having just how many electrons in the outermost orbit? Just see. Boron is having just 6 electrons in the outermost shell, only 6 electrons. So it is electron deficient. Electron deficient. Am I right? So it is a beggar. Carbon is having 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. I will tell you about the shape. Don't worry, I will show you its shape. Right now it is having 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. Now if I talk about nitrogen, nitrogen was having 5 electrons. So it will react with 3 hydrogens, 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen, third hydrogen. So it is having 8 electrons and 1 lone pair. This is known as lone pair, kids. This is known as lone pair, 1 lone pair. Now oxygen was having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 hydrogen, second hydrogen. So 8 electrons. It is having 8 electrons. It is having 8 electrons and 2 lone pairs. How many lone pairs? 2 lone pair. It is having 1 lone pair. 1 lone pair. It is having 2 lone pairs. Till now it's clear. Till now it's clear. If this is clear, now let me tell you what I want to tell you, kids. See to it. Everyone just see to it. Carbon has formed how many bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sigma bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nitrogen has formed 3 sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3. Now oxygen has formed 2 sigma bonds. Now how to find out steric number, kids? For these 3 quantities, how to find out steric number? Just see. The formula for a steric number will be steric number indicated by Sn will be number of sigma bonds, number of sigma bonds, number of sigma bonds plus, gets plus. Now I will write plus C, number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs, and in the bracket LC. LC means localized. What is LC? I will tell you later on. What is the meaning of LC? I will tell you later on. But remember that there is LC word. What is the word? There is the word known as LC. LC means localized. Without that LC, it's not completed. Now let's see 4 sigma bonds. So here steric number is 4 plus 0. So 4. Here 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, 1 lone pair. So steric number is equal to sigma 3, 1 lone pair, 4. Now here steric number is equal to 2 sigma and 2 lone pair, 4. All 3 are having steric number equal, that is 4. Are you getting my point? All 3 are having their steric number 4, and that is same, kids. This is having 4. This is having 4. This is also having 4. So what we will say? Their electronic geometry is same or different. See the sweat. Their electronic geometry will be same or different. All they will have same electronic geometry. Are you getting my point, kids? All they will have, all 3 will have same electronic geometry, But my dear students, due to presence of lone pair, their shape will not be same. Remember that their shape will not be same. Their shapes will be different. I will tell you how, kids. How? Till now it is clear. If the steric number is same, the electronic geometry will be same. Remember that. I'm going to write one point. See what I'm going to write. One note I want to tell you, kids. One note I would like to tell you. Note is that if steric number is same, then electronic geometry will be same. Electronic geometry will be same. But, my dear students, but, due to the presence of lone pair or lone pairs, shape will be different. Shape will be different. Shape will be different. I will tell you how to find out shape. But tell me, this point is clear to each and everyone. If yes, show me the fire, the green tickets. My face will not be looking very good. It's too hot. 40 degrees Celsius temperature. No AC because no electricity is there. But you see the visibility will be clear. Baba will give you the proper visibility. Just do let me know in the chat section that everyone, is it clear or not? Till now this is clear or not, kids? This, I need your support. I will come daily on YouTube. Baba will come daily on YouTube. I am promising you. This is Baba's promise, but you have to make promise that you will come and you will call your friends. I need your friends, you people always. Now see kids, how the tetrahedral will look. Tetrahedral geometry. Let me tell you tetrahedral first. Tetrahedral. See, if I say there is CH4, now CH4 will lie like this. If all the 4 hydrogens are lying like this, so you know that atoms are like human beings. Always consider atoms like human beings. Atoms like what? Human beings. Now do let me know, these human beings want more space or less space? You want big house or small house? Just to let me know. Human beings want big house or small house? Do let me know. If I'm saying atoms like human beings, consider atoms like human beings. Human beings want big house, small house. Want to remain away or want to remain near? Electron like money. Yes. So there is repulsion, kids. There will be repulsion in between these atoms. So they are saying due to this repulsion, there is 90-degree bond angle. Just see right now, it's 90-degree bond angle, 90-degree bond angle, 90-degree bond angle. So this is a wrong structure. This is what? Wrong structure. It's wrong structure. Why it is wrong, kids? Why it's being wrong? Why this is wrong, kids? Why this is wrong? Teacher will give you 0 mark if you're writing this is the structure of tetrahedral. This is wrong structure. Now, how the structure will look like? See, kids. The structure will look like this. This is one carbon. This is one carbon. One hydrogen will be over here. Just see. One hydrogen will be over here. Another hydrogen will be at this place. and next hydrogen will be over here, and another hydrogen will be at this place. Now you will say, sir, what is this? I'm so unable to understand. Let me tell you, kids, how they will lie. Because once if you are able to understand tetrahedral shape, you will change the world. Each and everything, the whole GOC will be in your hands. Let me explain tetrahedral. Just wait. Just wait. Let me have 4 pens. Let me check it out for the 4 pens. Just wait. Just wait. See, kids, everyone, more you visualize, more you will be able to understand. Are you ready? Everyone ready, kids, to understand? Is everyone ready? Just see. If I say this is 90 degree, is it visible? Is it visible, kids? This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. If I bifurcate it a little bit, see, it's more than 90 degree. Let us suppose it is 109 degree. Clear? Just tell me, is it clear? Critical Hunter, Sahana, do let me know, is it clear? Is it clear? It is 109 degree. It's looking like one V. V for victory. Can you see? It's looking like V 109 degree. Now, bisect it through another V. Bisect it through another V. Can you see? Can you see, kids? Is it visible to all of you? Do let me know, kids. One V is bisecting another V, or you can see in your class 9th standard, you must have seen it like this, Levontoff structure. The tetrahedral Levontoff structure. Here the bond angle is 109 degree, 109 degree. All they are having 109 degrees. So this is better than that. And that's why they are going to acquire tetrahedral structure. So whenever the steric number is 4 and lone pair is 0, then the electronic geometry will be tetrahedral. Electronic geometry will be equal to shape. Electronic geometry will be equal to shape. That is tetrahedral, and the bond angle will be 109 degree 28 inches. Right, kids? They are far away from each other. Is it clear? This point is clear to each and everyone. Now see, my dear students, the case of ammonia. Just see the case of ammonia, NH3. Now, first of all, we should understand nitrogen belongs to fifth. So it's like this: nitrogen, 1 lone pair, and 3 hydrogen. So you should remember one thing that is very, very important. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, VSEPR theory. Everyone say VSEPR, VSEPR, VSEPR theory, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. What is the full form of it? Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Repulsion theory. Now this theory says that lone pair is like loin. Loin. Have you ever seen loin? Have you ever seen loin, kids? Loin. The king of jungle is loin. Now see, wherever you are present in your house, once the loin has come, see, if I say these are the people, this is Champa, and number of Rampas are there. This is Champa, this is Alia. If I say this is Alia, this is Alia, this is Pandu, this is Pandu. Now, this was Champa. This is Alia. This is Pandu. They all were talking. They were number of people like this were present. Number of people like this were present. Now there one lion has come. One lion has come. Hey, I'm the lion, the king of chemical. Now these people will keep on talking, or they will go at one side. This is the classroom. Say this is the classroom. This is one classroom. They will be like there only, or they will run away. Or if the room is closed, locked, then what will happen? If the room is locked, what is going to happen? Tell me what is going to happen. Next time they will go at one side. It will happen like this. See kids, it will happen like this. The lion will say, hey, I'm the powerful lion. Now Champa, Alia, Pandu will be that side, that corner in one place. They will come close together. Hey, I don't want a space. They are very, very close. They will remove their ego. No ego, no ego. Leave ego, minus ego. Leaving their ego because they are just getting scared of this lion. Then the lion will occupy maximum space or least space. Do let me know. This lion will occupy maximum space or least space. Everyone write down in the chat section. I want to see in the chat section, this lion will occupy maximum space or least space. Everyone, just to let me know, this lion is going to occupy more space or less space. Very good, very good. So this lion L starts, L, and L stands for lone pair. Lone pair occupies maximum space. Occupies maximum space. Am I right? And these bond pairs will occupy less space. Bond pair, less space. Now see kids, this is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So VSEPR theory says, this theory says that maximum repulsion will be in lone pair. That means two lions will remain far away from each other. The maximum space will be in two lions, two lone pairs. Then lone pair, bond pair, and then least will be in bond pair, bond pair. Gets? Is it clear? The repulsion, maximum repulsion will be here. Least repulsion will be at this place. If this point is clear, say everyone, if this point is clear, then I will tell you rest of the other things. Everyone just show me in the chat section, is this point clear or not? Repulsion is like this. Green hearts. Sahana, thank you. Everyone, what's going on? You got tired. You're looking tired. No, I can't see what? I can't see number of green hearts in the chat section. Now see kids, after telling you this much, I would like to tell you that in nitrogen, this lone pair will occupy maximum space. This lone pair will occupy maximum space. and the bond pairs will come together like this. The bond pairs will come like this, kids. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now, this is the lone pair occupying maximum space. So, the bonds have to settle at 107 degree. This is experimentally determined, and the shape will always be given by sigma bonds. Sigma bonds are responsible for shape. Remember that. Lone pair destroy the shape, but they never determine the shape. Remember that. Lone pair destroy the shape. Lone pair or pairs destroy the shape. Destroy the shape. But never decides the shape. Remember that. Not telling the shape. They have no contribution in telling the shape. No contribution in telling the shape. They have no contribution in telling the shape. Right, kids? So its shape is only this much. These sigma bonds are only determining the shape. 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3. So it is pyramidal in shape. Pyramidal shape. If anyone asking what is the shape, then pyramidal shape. What is the geometry? What is the geometry? Then you will say tetrahedral electronic geometry. Tetrahedral electronic geometry. Electronic geometry. So due to the presence of lone pair, electronic geometry and shape is being different. It's clear. Electronic geometry is different from shape. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you, Critical Hunter. Everyone, do let me know you are able to understand this much. Now, if you are able to understand this one, then I will tell you next other things. Just do let me know if everyone is able to understand this much, kids. Now, if I tell you about H2O, 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 two lone pairs. Now, how it will look like? Oxygen, one lone pair will lie far away from another lone pair. This distance will be maximum. This will be maximum. If I say this is X, now see, I will say this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. So, this will be least. Let's say this is Z, this will be least. And what should be Y? This will be Y. So if I talk about distance, then distance will be, maximum will be X, then Y, then Z. Agreed or not? Everyone agreed or not? Kids, do let me know. Everyone agreed or not? Because lone pair repulsion will be maximum. Lone pair repulsion will be maximum, kids. This LP repulsion is maximum repulsion. Then lone pair and bond pair, and then bond pair and bond pair. So experimentally it is found that this angle is 104.5 degree, 104.5 degree, and this is known as vent or V-shaped. Vent V-shaped. This is the shape, but steric number is 4 due to Steric number 4, its electronic geometry is sp3 hybridized and electronic geometry will be tetrahedral. So if the hybridization is not getting changed, then the electronic geometry will never change. See the sweat kits. See kits. Kids, do let me know that everyone till now clear, and hit the like button, kids. Hit the like button if you are really liking it. I want to see whether you are able to understand or not, kids. My dear students, your understanding is my prime focus. Even though Baba is having that much of sweat, but Baba will continue telling you you're liking it if you are able to understand. Sahana, very good. Nandini, very good. Kadirwell, very good. Critical Hunter, very good. See kids, the way I'm telling you, that is the simplest way. I'm telling you from the scratch, but you have to write down over there. You have to show emojis fast. Chat is running very slow, kids. That means your Baba is not teaching you up to the mark, kids. Tell me, everyone. I want to see the chat to run very fast. Now see, kids. If I tell you, remember that one is ethane, one is ethene, one is ethane. The very important topic I am going to tell you about these three. But call everyone, your friends, say come and see what Baba is going to tell you, kids. Remember that hybridization is not fixed for an atom. I have told you atom is like what? Atom is like human being. I've told you atom is like what? Atom is like human being. Told you or not? Can you tell me that human beings' nature is fixed or not? Or it all depends on the surrounding people? Tell me. Human beings' nature or the hunger towards money, towards food is always constant, or it depends? Human beings' nature depends or it changes, variable. Nature is variable. Nature, hunger, love, anger, they are fixed or variable. Do let me know. These are fixed or they vary, or they are variable. Just to let me know. They are fixed or they vary. Kids, do let me know. They are fixed or they vary. They are variable. So once human beings' nature, love, liking, they are changing, and definitely elements hybridization is not fixed. That is also getting changed. That depends on the nature of surroundings atom. Everyone, are you getting? Am I visible? Can you understand? I will not tell you anything from the book. Whatever I'm going to tell you, I will tell you from the nature related to the life. Kids. Yeah. Nandini, just see, Baba is always for you, kids. So Baba will give you the best. And can you see the sweat? Can you see the sweat? How much sweat Baba is having? but Baba will let you know each and everything. Now see kids. Here, carbon, carbon and 3 hydrogen bonds. If carbon is attached with 3 and 1, 4 sigma bonds. So this carbon is attached with how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. So its steric number is how much? 4. This is also attached with how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So steric number is also 4. Once the steric number is 4, then the electronic geometry will be what, kids? Electronic geometry. Write down in the chat section if you are able to understand. Electronic geometry will be tetrahedral. Now it's a time to tell you about the shape. Remember that when there is no lone pair, how to find out whether there is lone pair or not? Carbon belongs to 4th group. I have told you in the starting. So it is having 4 electrons in the valence shell and 4 electrons in the valence shell. All 4 electrons got consumed. So there is no lone pair. No lone pair. And no lone pair. Then remember that electronic geometry and shape will be same. Without lone pair, electronic geometry will be same as in shape. Shape and electronic geometry will remain same. Is it clear, kids? Is it clear? Clear to each and everyone? Do let me know. Keep on showing green hearts fire. Now see, in this case, the carbon's hybridization will come out to be sp3. sp3, and whenever the carbon is sp3, the bond length will be 1.54 angstrom. 1.5x angstrom. The bond angle will be 109 degree 28 inches, and the electronegativity of this carbon will be 2.5. 2.5 will be the electronegativity. Kids got it? Everyone got it? Everyone? Do let me know everyone got it. Is it clear? Write down yes if you are able to understand. Write down yes and show fire. Yes, show fire. Everyone fast. Yes, show fire. Electronic geometry and shape. Hafiz, let me tell you. Kids, I have got one question. What is the difference between electronic geometry and shape? See, in case of same steric number, in case of same steric number, two cases arises. What are these two cases? First case, if no lone pair, then electronic geometry and shape will be same. Electronic geometry will be equal to shape. They will be same. And second case, if lone pair is present, then electronic geometry will not be equal to shape. Now question arises, why, kids? The answer to this question is that lone pair occupies maximum space and that will shift other bond pairs close together. Baba, right? So they will be same shape and electronic geometry will be same. Okay, it will be same. It's if lone pair is present, then electronic geometry will be same as the shape. If lone pair is present, then electronic geometry and shape will not be same. Yeah, lone pair is the main villain. You can say lone pair is the villain in destroying the shape. If lone pair is present, that will distract the shape, then the electronic geometry and shape will not be same. Oh, where I have written? Where? Oh, sorry. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you. In case of same steric number, two cases arises. If no lone pair, electronic geometry and shape will be same. And if lone pair is present, electronic geometry will not be equal to shape. Clear? Loin. Your lone pair is like loin. Loin will destruct the shape of village. If in the village or in the city, if loin is going to come, if loin has come, then the people will remain same or they will run far away. Just to let me know. Just to let me know if there is loin in the city or the village, that loin is going to de-shape the whole city or not. So I'm telling you, loin is like lone pair, or lone pair is like, or you can say lone pair is like loin responsible for de-shaping the shape, responsible for de-shaping got it, the structure, de-shaping the structure. Everyone clear or not clear? Now electronegativity, I am going to tell you electronegativity. Just see kids. This is ethane. If I say this is ethane, this is ethane, then this will be ethene. Just try to understand. I will tell you each and everything in detail. Just see apply your brain over here, kids. And this is acetylene. Just seek it. What Baba is going to do. Carbon, just put your brain, kids. Carbon, Each and everything I will tell you, kids. Now focus. Three things I have written. Is it clear? Now see how many sigma bonds are attached with this carbon. This carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon. 1, 2, 3, and the same. 4. So steric number will come out 4. Steric number will come out 4. Here, just see here. 1, 2, 3. Remember that whenever any atom is having two bonds, then one is sigma, another one is pi. If any atom is having three bonds, then one is sigma, rest of two are pi. Rest of two are pi. This point is clear, kids? Is this point clear to each and everyone? In between two atoms, if there are two bonds, one is sigma, another one is pi. 3, one is sigma, two are pi. If only one, then that will be sigma. These things are clear, kids? Do let me know. If these things are clear, then you can understand one sigma, another one pi. So steric number will come out 3. Here also steric number will come out 3. Right? Here sigma, rest of two are pi. Whether they are upper one or lower one doesn't matter. Any one is 1 sigma, rest are pi. Remember that 1 is sigma, rest are pi. Thank you, Sahana. Thank you. Now, its steric number is coming out 2. 2. Now, see, kids. Everyone just focus. Its hybridization will be sp3. So no lone pair, so it is tetrahedral. Shape is tetrahedral. Electronic geometry is also tetrahedral because there is no lone pair. Now see, kids, the carbon-carbon bond length will come out 1.54 angstrom, and the carbon's electronegativity means temptation towards electron to gain electron, that tendency will be 2.5. 2.5 will be the electronegativity. We write down electronegativity. Now see, kids, this carbon 3, so its hybridization is sp2. Carbon's electronegativity will be more, 2.75. Now you will say why the electronegativity is more. Kids, just see the percentage of S character. How to find out percentage of S character? I will tell you how to find out percentage of S character. But here, just see its hybridization will be sp and the electronegativity will be 3.25, even more electronegative than nitrogen. As I have told you, kids, as I have told you, as the surrounding atoms are getting changed, the hybridization will change, and the hybridization is getting changed, the electronegativity is getting changed. This carbon's electronegativity is just 2.5, 2.75, 3.25. So see, I am going to write down one formula. Just see, kids. What formula I am going to write? Just see to it, everyone. Electronegativity of central atom, electronegativity of central atom is directly proportional to Bond angle is directly proportional to what, kids? Bond angle of central atom. And directly proportional to percentage of S character. Now, how to find out percentage of S character? Let me show you, kids, how to find out percentage of S character. Just see. If I say this is one pizza, do you know pizza? This is one pizza, and there are two people. It's being divided in between two people. One's name is, what to say? Let me say, one is Pandu. One is Pandu. Another one is Sania. Another one is Sania. Sania. Sahana. Sahana. Another one is Sahana. Now, how much? So this the hybridization will come out to be SP. So can you let me know what percentage of pizza Sahana is going to eat? How much percentage from this pizza Sahana is going to eat? What percentage of pizza Sahana is going to eat, kids? So half of the pizza means percentage of S character is 50%. Can I say 50%? So in SP hybridization, S character is 50% and P character is 50%. Is it clear, kids? If it is clear, then write down and show me green hearts. Now, if I say there is one pizza and one Sahana is there. One Sahana is there. Sahana is there and two Pandus are there. One Sahana and two Pandu. This portion is eaten by Sahana and this portion is eaten by Pandu. Pandu, Sahana. So the hybridization will come out to be sp2. 2 Pandu, 1 Sahana. So what percentage of pizza is being eaten by Sahana? Kids, do let me know. What percentage of this pizza is eaten by Sahana? So percentage of S character will be 1/3. And if I say percentage, so let's find out the percentage. 1/3 into 100, that will come out 33.33% S character. Am I right, kids? Everyone, do let me know. Just 5 minutes more. Just 5 minutes more, kids. Everyone, are you getting my point? See, Baba is teaching you without AC. No light is there, kids. No electricity. So, Mindies is saying I will eat 100%. That means no group will be there. No hybridization will be there. If you eat 100%, that means there is no hybridization. I will tell you one case there is no hybridization, that also. Now see another case. There is one pizza and 4 people are there to eat it. There are 4 people. The pizza is divided in between 4 people. Sahana got only one part. Sahana got only one part of the pizza and 3 parts are being eaten by Pandu. 3 parts being eaten by Pandu. Now do let me know. This is the case of sp3 hybridization. Now percentage of S character will be how much, kids? Do let me know. Percentage of S character will be 1/4. So in 200, so 25% S character. Clear, kids? Now Mindy's is saying I will eat 100% pizza. Should I give you example of Mindy's also? That Mindy's is saying I will eat 100%. Should I give you one example where Mindy's game will work? Should I give you one example, kids? Now see, I'm going to give you one example. Remember that nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Only in case of nitrogen there is hybridization. Only in case of nitrogen there is hybridization, and that is sp3. That is sp3. It's these four, they do bonding without hybridization. They do bonding without hybridization. And their lone pair, their lone pair do not take part in hybridization. Lone pair is not hybridized because there is no hybridization. And once their lone pair is not hybridized, then the lone pair's percentage of S character is 100%. Then the lone pair percentage of S character in the lone pair is 100%. And that's why the phosphine ASH3, they are not basic, and that's why phosphine PH3, ASH3, SBH3, BIH3, they are not basic because the percentage of S character is too much, so can't donate their lone pair. So they can't donate their lone pair. They can't donate lone pair. Can't donate lone pair. And this is known as Drago's rule. Which rule, kids? You must have heard about Drago's rule. Have you heard about Drago's rule? Do let me know. Drago's rule, Drago's rule, Drago's rule. Have you ever heard about Drago's rule? Kids, do let me know you are able to understand. Now, hit the like button. Everyone, just hit the like button. I want to see likes to get increased. And now you want more, or should I end the class? Should I end the class, or you want to study for 2 to 20 minutes more? Do let me know. I will do like that. So this much is okay. I think this much is okay. Mindies, you are in class 9th. Oh no, Mindies, you are in class 9th. Now kids, this much is okay. Okay, for today, this much is okay. Once again, I would like to tell you kids, I would like to show you this team, Phoenix Pro Batch NEET 2025. is available just for rupees 4,999. Just enroll it. It is the best batch, the best team, kids. You will not get any team like this to teach in English, and that too simple English. Everyone can understand this English, my dear students. I'm telling you, Ambika ma'am, the best for bio. Wasim sir, you know very well, the best for chemistry. Yava sir, you know very well, the best teacher of physics. And Yo Baba HSP, you know very well, a very, very simple teacher. Okay, kids. So, whatever you want to study, if you want to get daily classes from Baba HSP, you have to write down Sirazdeen, HSP. Thank you. You have to write down in the chat section. If you want daily classes, kids, I will give you those classes. What topic you want to study, you can write down in the comment section. Once the video is over, I will go to it, I will see to it, and then I will follow it. Yeah, I'm Indian. Bye to all of you. God bless you. Love you, kids. Bye bye. Bye bye, kids.